Hey, Dr. Sunny here with Chester Creek Chiropractic. I'd like to take a quick few minutes and explain to you exactly what happens when you get an adjustment from a chiropractor on a nervous system level. So chiropractors, specifically Palmer trained chiropractors like we are here at Chester Creek Chiropractic, are trained to analyze, detect, and correct vertebral subluxation complexes, which means that your spinal joint has gone out of alignment due to years of repetitive overuse, minor injuries, or a specific acute trauma. And we detect that and we apply a specific adjustment for correction over time. Now, we do a lot of things to analyze and detect that here in the office, which would be another blog that we can get into. But what I really want to talk to you about is, which is one of the most important things on how we heal through chiropractic, is the nervous system aspect of this. So really, chiropractors are nervous system doctors that help you with your health. When you have a properly functioning nervous system, your body is healthier and you're able to fight off infection, you're able to get through injury faster, you're happier, you're sleeping better, and your stress amounts are down. So simply, when we look at this chart here, we're looking at spinal cranial nerves. So all these nerves run down from the brain, through the spine, and then out to different areas of the body. So for instance, down to your hand, in through the ribs, into the low back, down into the legs, and into the feet, okay? So that's where we have our nerve distribution that's happening. Now what happens here on this autonomic nervous system level is your organs that are controlled from that, okay? So some people will have relief from symptoms such as asthma, for instance. Well, simply your brain is going to send information out through T4 and T5 in the mid part of your back. There's little holes that these nerves are going to go through the bone, and it's going to run into your lungs. And then it's going to tell the lungs to function properly, and it's going to send a feedback mechanism back to the brain and say, hey, my lungs are functioning well. Now, when there is a subluxation there due to an injury or repetitive stress or posture, bad posture over time, it's going to pinch down on that flow. So think of the garden hose getting pinched. And that nervous system isn't going to talk to the lungs as well, so your lungs aren't going to function as well, say 50% of the time. Well, that information sends back to the brain and says, I'm not working correctly. Well, I'm not going to send all this information to the lungs and have it work well. So that's where we'll get symptoms such as asthmatic in kids having asthma. So clearing out that subluxation, opening up the nervous system, letting that nerve flow to 100% of the information to the lung back to the brain, guess what? That lung functions better and symptoms clear. So that's how the nervous system affects our whole entire body, and that's how a chiropractic adjustment can affect your body on a health level, not just a pain level. If you like what you heard, please follow along, chestercreekchiro.com. We'll have blog posts, video posts for you, our Facebook page, our Instagram page, and we look forward to seeing you in the future. Log on to the website, chestercreekchiro.com, to schedule any new patient appointments. Also, give us a call, 218-501-0707. Thank you.